what if someone starts to message your friends, family, co-workers and business partners and you don't even realize you're not the one messaging them? This can be done easily and it is called cloning. Hello guys, my name is One Security. On this channel I talk about security and tips for you to stay safe online. In this particular video, we're talking about how hackers clone social media accounts and how you can protect yourself. Account cloning happens when someone tries to copy your profile information. They will copy your name, date of birth, bio, your profile picture, everything they know about you, and they will try to create a similar account just like yours. Once they create a fake account, they will try sending friend requests to your family, friends, co-workers, business partners, your fiance and the rest, and they might likely accept the friend request because they think you are the one. After they might have accepted the attacker's request, the attacker may start asking for help, money, verification code and information that you're not supposed to own, and they might respond positively to this request because they trust you and they are thinking the message coming from you. And this is one of the most common and dangerous attacks we have today because it can easily be done in few minutes. Someone can replicate you, copy you and start to message your friends. So here are some ways you can stay safe from this type of attack. Number one, mind what you are sharing on social media, the information you are putting out there. Number two, make sure your privacy and security settings are well put together, and also you should set your friend list to private so people cannot get access to see your friends. So if you find a duplicate account about you, you should first report the account. Secondly, you should try to warn your friends about this scam account out there and try to find out if they have gotten any requests that is not coming from you. Social media is one of the most useful tools for communication. It's also one of the most dangerous tools out there. So you should be mindful with the information we put online and how we use these great tools. So staying alert online help protect you and both the people who are connected to you. If you find this video helpful, quickly like and subscribe to the channel so we can make more videos like this.